Pwynt yn unig oedd yn gwahanu Llansawel oedd yn drydydd a Cambrian a Clydach oedd yn bedwerydd cyn cyfarfod yng Nghyngred y De nos Wener. Daeth Cambrian yn agos i achub y blaen wedi dim ond 2 funud. Josh Bull yn cymryd y geicridd yn sydyn, ond y trawst yn ei nadu werth cynnig. Cafodd Llansawel gyfla uraidd i fynd ar y blaen gyda 6 munud ar y cloc. Smonach ymysg amddiffyn Cambrian yn gadael y gôl yn agorad, ond Luke Bowen o bawb yn methu am anteisio. Dihangfa i'r ymwelwyr. Daeth Cameron Keach yn agos i roi'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen gyda gergyd nerthol odi allan i'r cwrt, ond Conna McFenton yn gwthio'r bêl dros y trawst am gic gornel. Ac o'r gic gornel yna, fi aeth Cambrian ar y blaen. Jordan Smith yn eidio'n uwch na neb i blannu'r bêl i gefn yr hwyd. Roedd hi'n 2 i'r ymwelwyr 8 munud yn ddiweddarach. Connor Davies ddim yn camsefyll yn ôl y dyfarnwr ac yn sgorio i gôl gyntaf i Cambrian a Clydach. Roedd y tîm cartra nôl yn y gêm gyda 5 munud o'r hanner cyntaf ar ôl y capten Alex Gammond yn penio i mewn o gic gornel. Roedd hi'n ddechrau da i'r ail hanner i Cambrian. Y postyn yn nadu Connor Davies rhag sgorio i ail am y noson. Ac yna ergyd Cameron Keach yn fflachio hibio'r gôl, mor anlwcus. Gyda llai na chwarter awr o'r gêm ar ôl, cafodd Bowen gyfla i nionnu'r sgôr, ond Cameron Clark yn gwneud yn wych i arbed yn isel. Gyda 84 munud ar y cloc, llwyddodd Bowen o'r diwedd i ddarganfod cefn yr hwyd. Sgrambl yn y cwrt, a'r profiadol Bowen yn y lle cywir i ddod â Llansawel yn gyfartal, 2-1. Ar ôl bod ar ei hôl hi o 2-0, roedd Llansawel ar y blaen gyda dim ond 2 funud ar ôl. Pas hyfryd mae Coley Power yn canfod yr ymysodwr ifanc Jasper Payne i sgorio gôl gyntaf i'r clwb. Aeth pethau o ddrwg i waith i'r ymwelwyr gyda 91 munud ar y cloc. Connor Davies yn derbyn ail gardyn melyn am ddigwyddiad oddi ar y bêl. A'r hediad Cambrian o 10 gêm heb golli'n dod i ben wrth i Llansawel gipio'r 3 phwynt.
We just needed to be in our positions a little bit more. We were playing out of position and we weren't finding our players in their position and we were a little bit exposed. I thought we were still creating chances and we just had to tighten up half time, and the message half time was just keep doing what we're doing, just keep on doing what we've been training to do, and I think we got our rewards at the end.
Well, I got a little chip over, good run. I think I was a bit fortunate because I had a little bit of a bobble on me, so I cut back inside because I thought I was probably going to miss it if I took on the left foot on the volley. Cut back inside and I just fired it into the bottom left corner. I was buzzing and I scored, so I was great with it.
And it's been a good day because you also passed your driving test today.
Yeah, it's been a great day, passed my driving test first time, so can't get much better than that going out later.
Jas was a great player. He's only just turned 17 and he's a goal scorer. He's a goal scorer, so it's great to have him in and around the squad. And when he told me today he passed his driving test, I just, that's how football works. I just knew he'd get a winner. So I'm just glad he did. Tough for him, 17-year-old in front of the cameras, brilliant for him.
Yeah, disappointed but also proud. First 10 minutes losing 2 key players after numerous players out as well before the match. So not proud of the boys, but listen, we've competed with a team that's just below us in the league. With, like I say, numerous players out, and just shows what a good job the academy and the strength and depth we have at Cam to compete on a night like this. So yeah, disappointed overall, but really proud as well.